Hello and welcome to Java 2 Unit 5. Once again, the videos are doing a great job for making sure that I understand what's going on. Please keep those coming. If you haven't included some sort of narration, please include some narration. The best ones are the ones that display, here's the requirements of that particular problem, this is how I work through the problem, and these are how I work through the requirements, and it seems like those are really good. I've had some people combine both videos because there's usually two required. I had some people do two separate videos. Whatever way of those two you want to work, that's great. So far, the discussions seem to be pretty good. I thought the discussion last week with the double buffering thing, I always thought that was kind of a missed the mark. There was some other more, especially the recursion portion, rather be focused on some other things, but that's okay. I introduce the topics and we go from there. This particular week, we start to get into, let's see, it's using a lot more to do with SQL. It says use the techniques of process SQL statements with JDBC, including retrieving data, inserting rows, updating, deleting existing row, creating and deleting tables, and displaying result sets. If you really want to make yourself super employable, understanding how SQL works and understanding how to interface using SQL with different languages and different, I cannot emphasize that enough. Most of the time, even if you're working with Access, those of you kind of going back to that, you've actually been having a tool that's creating SQL statements for you. Understanding what SQL is and getting in there and getting to grips with this is a great idea. This particular week, program exercise 3, the unpaid order sum, would be one of those you'll want a video for. And also your programming exercise 4, unpaid order lookup on page 1168, will also be one you are looking to make a video for. Otherwise, last week you ran into some problems with some of updates and different things along those lines. And Tyler went in there and dug up some information. I will be using that for follow-on solutions for different classes in case I don't get that solved. And that's how we build a database of knowledge where that's concerned. So I appreciate that particular work. Once again, keep up with the good discussions. If you are creating those videos, and I hope you are, make sure to include narration with it. I know some people are just poking around because they don't have microphones, and that's perfectly fine. But the trend of instructors having you demonstrate and talk through things is on the rise. I can pretty much see what's going on and understand there's a working project and things along those lines. But I want to hear a level of understanding because it's a level of discourse that I don't normally see, so you're able to explain what's going on and things along those lines. Well, I guess technically I can see that level of discourse, but I can't hear that level of discourse as you kind of walk through and present it, because it won't be the first nor the last time you present a hopefully difficult subject. So thank you very much for your time. Keep up the good work, and we only have 1 week left after this week. So look forward to your discussions. Thank you for your time.